Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from my Automation channel. Today in this session, we're going to learn about how to work with tag names as part of Selenium Python series. In case if you are new to this session, do watch my earlier session where I have discussed about ID, class name, link text, partial link text. And if you are new to this Python series, you wanted to learn, then these are the requirements that you need to install in your system. Python software and Python IDE, which is an editor, Selenium libraries, and driver executable files. So let me open the PyCharm, and this is the project that we are going to demonstrate as part of this series, Selenium Python series. So we have a browsers folders, we have a test cases folders. Under that test cases folder, I'm going to create a new Python file, which is nothing but test cases underscore tag name. So before we start, we need to import Selenium packages. Selenium import from WebDriver. So once we do this importing, we need to create a variable reference to hold our driver reference. So which is nothing but WebDriver reference, WebDriver.chrome. So this is the browser name that I'm going to use as a Chrome browser. So as I have a browsers folder, I have all the driver executable files stored here. I'm going to right click and copy the Chrome one. So I'm going to paste this. Right. After that, I'm going to expand the driver. So this is not the web driver, this is a driver dot maximize window. After that, I'm going to launch the driver dot get. So you might be confusing. I have given a wrong name, but anyhow, the reference variable that I'm using is as it is. I'm using. I'm not changing the reference name. So in this, I'm going to provide the website URL. So let me open the Chrome, and this is a website. I'm going to use this. So here I'll paste this website. After that, we need to launch or start our writing path finding. I mean, using a find element, we're gonna find the elements. So we're gonna use find element. So we need to use by. So this is the by we need to import. So once you just type the by and mouse over it, it will show you the import statement. We need to import it from commons dot tag name. So you can separate by using this. And few people have asked this question also. There is another way of writing, right? So find underscore element underscore by underscore tag name. So you can use that, but I'm using the latest version of Selenium packages. That is the reason there is a change in the find element statements. You can use that statement or you can use the statements. So if you are working with a newer version, the older statement will not work like find underscore element underscore by underscore tag name. So that statement will not work here. I will go back to the web page and I need to inspect it. So I'm going to inspect this form. So I will inspect this form and see this is an type of input. So this is input which is showing here is nothing but a tag. So likewise, we have different tags here, div tags. So we have n number of tags. So let me see how many tags we have within this DOM. So to find that, let me use the absolute path syntax. Sorry, relative path syntax using input. So we have a 23 inputs under that. Which input that we are going to see is, so this is the input statement which is at 14th index. So we can use this 14th index like this, the index input. But we are not working with actual XPath, right? If you are working with XPath, I can use the indexing with this entire path. But we need to see only one path within the page. To see that, I'm gonna enable the selector hubs tool. So I'm gonna see this. This has a 23. So let me try to see this X button here, plus button. So this plus button has only one tag name, which is nothing but I. So I'm going to use this I as a tag name here. So what happens when I click on this plus button? Let me give a try. So if I press this plus button, it will open languages. Okay. So let me give a try with this. So I'm going to click on the tag name called I. The only reason I'm taking this I is it has only one of one combination. we need to see only one of one combination with find element. If we are using the find elements, then we can use the multiple options also, right? Then I'm gonna use driver dot close once I click on that. So before that, I'm gonna make driver to sleep or wait sometime, at least 3 seconds. Let me save, and right click and run this program. So it has started. All the locators that we are supposed to see, it has to be one of one. If it is more than one of one and we are using find element, it will throw error. If we, in case if we wanted to try multiple, then we have to go with find elements. So I'm gonna tell you about find elements in upcoming sessions because that required a list approach as well. So as we are focusing on the beginner sessions, we'll stick to only find element. So this is how we perform with tag name. I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, queries, you can do post in my comment section. I will help you out. And if the session is helpful, do post a like and share with colleague. Thank you.